Welcome to this course. This is the most comprehensive and complete course in Power BI. I don't think any course covers Power BI in depth as this course does. Business intelligence is a broad skill and you'll be learning BI using Power BI in this course. This course is open to every skill level, whether you are a beginner or advanced user. Everyone can learn from it. You will get lots of practice with tons of projects in this course. For beginners, please do not skip anything. Go section by section. Since each section teaches specific skill, advanced users can pick and choose section they want to learn. But every section covers crucial BI skill. So I like to urge to all skill levels that when we do hands-on project section, do all the projects with me so you can practice your new skills. And please do not skip anything in that hands-on section. So let me tell you what we're going to cover in this course. This course has actually 11 sections. The 10s are there. The last section I didn't put it yet. First section gonna cover introduction to Power BI. We're gonna learn what Power BI is and what it can do for us and why we should choose Microsoft Power BI, not any other visualization software like ClickView or Tableau. Then we're gonna cover the Power BI family. We're going to cover desktop and how to install it. We're going to cover the service, how to create a Power BI Pro account, or it's a free also you can create, but if you have to share, then you need a Pro account. Then we also going to cover descriptive, predictive and prescriptive analytics. What are they? Then we're going to cover how Power BI solve IT problems, IT challenges in detail. The first thing we have to do is collect data. So in section 2, we're going to do how we can connect to different data sources and read the data. Excel files, web, even real-time streaming data, SQL Server, OData field. We're also going to cover in this section data flows. Data flow is a new service from Microsoft that sits on common data model and it is also connected. It's a part of Azure Lake Generation 2. So the data in Power BI can also be used by other applications this way. Now we have the data. Data is not always clean. So how we gonna clean it? In this section, we're gonna clean our data, whether it's a SQL Server or from Excel files, so we can use that. So in the next section, we're gonna cover Power BI visuals. So I have covered a lot of visuals here: bar, line chart, pie chart, scatter chart, funnel, tree map, etc. And gauges and KPIs, and also covered in here. So you know when to use which visual and pros and cons of those visuals. So now we know how to use the visuals, then we're gonna work on data modeling. In data modeling, we're gonna create our first report and then we're gonna publish it on the Power BI Pro. Then we're gonna cover what is the basics of data modeling, how we can create a relationship between different sources, different tables, and there are other ways to do the relationship. Then we're going to cover normalization versus denormalization. What is it and why we have to do this? OLTP versus OLAP. Then star schema versus snowflake schema, which is we do it on our data warehouses, data marts. So we're going to cover all that in modeling. Then introduction to DAX. DAX is a very vast field. There is a 5 days courses on DAX, but in here we're going to cover enough so we can easily use it in all the models we're going to build. So it's quite a bit, around 3 hours lectures on the DAX, explaining everything from M versus DAX, how we're going to create a columns and rules to create a measure, very important. Then we're going to cover time series measures that we're going to use in the future. Then we have hands-on real-world projects. Guys, please do not miss any of this. When I'm doing this, repeat after me. Just open the Power BI desktop and start creating a report like I'm doing. Just practice. So we're going to have a lot of practice here. First 9 models are regular models that will clear your fundas and stuff like that. Then the advanced model starts from here: procurement, spend analysis, all the way down. We have around 100 videos on this, around 10 hours. This is the meat of this course. Now we have data and we create the reports here in hands-on. When we publish a report, then data has to be updated on that on regular basis. This is where Microsoft created Enterprise Gateway. We're going to cover all this, how to install it, how to configure it, how to sync the data through it. So data automatically refresh your dashboard and reports every night or every few hours. If you're using Power BI Pro, there you can do the refresh 8 times, but if you have Power BI Premium, you can do it 48 times. So there are some differences there. So I will cover it in that. Then we're going to cover a lot of stuff on service and lot of advanced features like quick insights, QA, and row level security and report page tool tips, bookmarks, and a lot of other stuff we're going to cover in here. So it's pretty big section also. Then at the end, we created everything. We have the reports, we have the dashboards. Now how we're going to share is, there is pros and cons of sharing different ways. So I'm going to cover it in this section. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in the next lecture.